We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Brother MFC-9125. We're going to be replacing the belt unit and showing you how to reset the belt unit counter. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the top of the printer where all of your toners and drums are located. Then you're going to carefully remove all your toners and drums, carefully setting them down on a clean, dry, flat surface. Now that we have all of the toners and drums removed from the printer, you'll see a green handle located at the front of the inside of the printer. You're just going to grab that green handle and carefully lift and remove the belt unit out of the printer. So once you have your new one good to go, you're going to want to be really careful not to touch any part of the belt. And you're going to carefully, by holding it by the green handle, slide it back inside the printer. And make sure it clicks all the way into place. Once you have your new belt unit installed, we're going to go ahead and put our drums and toners back into the printer. Alright, now that all of our toners and drums are back inside the printer, we're going to go ahead and lower the top back down. And now we need to reset the belt unit rather. So we're going to hit the menu button. And we're going to scroll down to Machine Info. Hit OK. Then we're going to go down to the Reset menu. Hit OK again. And now we're going to look for belt unit. Once you find the belt unit option, hit OK. It's going to ask if you want to replace your belt unit. Hit 1 for yes. And that's going to reset your belt unit counter. And then to get back to the home screen, go ahead and hit the stop and exit button. That'll take you all the way out of that menu. And just like that, you've replaced your belt unit and reset your belt unit counter, so you won't get that end of belt message anymore. But you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.